This is the elevator at Bass Pro Shops, Savannah Mall in Savannah, Georgia. And we have a Montgomery. Really love the brown doors. Here it is. Doors open slow. Look behind the shaft. Wow, this is nice. Hello. 2. Let's get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator, especially since it's made of glass. Now watch the atrium here. Here we are 2. 1. Wow. Here's the store. We're gonna look at the atrium again. This is my favorite elevator in the mall. This is a very party scene style elevator. Here you're at 1. Take it up one more time. Alright, now watch the numbers. Here. Classic bell. Here at 2. And then on 1. Wow. This is a beautiful elevator. The raccoon. This is so cool. And the bear. Here, 1. And that's it.